Hi, beautiful people. Can you see this beautiful hairstyle? I know you love it because it's really giving. So, guys, this is the actual gel that I use in making the hair, Eco Gel, and it's used for something like dread or temporary dread or even permanent dread. So, guys, this beautiful sis wanted a beautiful hairstyle like this with her natural hair, and I was like, okay, this style will be very beautiful. Let me make this one that I normally see and admire. So we started making it, and guys, I finished making this hair and I loved it. And it was as if, okay, just carry this hair and put it in your own. I wish this hair would just turn to a wig and you can wear it or you can rock it on your head. But no. So yeah, that's how I made, and it's very simple. So if you don't know how to make it, this is like a how to do this beautiful hairstyle on your natural hair. You want to carry less heavy heat hair because this period the sun is much and we don't really want anything that will be disturbing us, guys. So this is like it's light, super light. You want to be free. I said it's super light and it's easy to make. So this is how to make a mini twist, like mini twist, and it's like a mini a tempera, let me say a tempera dread. So you'll be free, you rock it and it's giving. So I'll allow you to watch how I made it. It's not that difficult. Just follow how I divide the hair into three sections to make braids at the base. Then go ahead. This is the braid is to make the hair tight and beautiful at the scalp. Then I go ahead to divide into two portions and then twist. Like I said, is a mini twist and it's giving. So guys, if you watch very well, you see how I made it and you will love to do it for maybe that stuff of yours or if your friend, or you want to work it on your natural hair. Just meet them and tell them, can you make the style? And they'll be like, yes. And after making it, guys, you will love it. Like I said, you will love it because the style is giving. So I'll allow you to watch and see how beautiful it turned out after I finished making it. So guys, see how I divided into three portions, braided and then divide into two portions, then do the mini twist. Guys, the color is giving. She dyed her hair and the down as in the base black. It was really giving. I loved how it turned out. Looking at it already, you see that it's really beautiful. So yeah, guys, that is it. Just watch to the end and see how it turned out. It was beautiful, guys. It was really beautiful. You will wish, like seriously, you will wish it's giving. So yeah, guys, if you are new to this channel, you have not subscribed before, or yeah, kindly click on the subscribe button. Also like this video, also share if you can, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you're girl channel. So yes, guys, continue to watch. So guys, you will agree with me that this style is very beautiful because it turned out to be very outstanding, classy, as in you want to stand out. This style is there for you, as in the color, as in the look. It really made a lot of sense and it was given. Yeah, you will love to make this. You will love to try it out. So yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. It's your girl Chinelo. Yeah, it's Chinelo's Corner. And yes, Chinelo signing out. Don't forget to subscribe and also like and share.